before we get to the story of my latest trip, let me take you back to where it all started. I was hanging around in New York when I felt the city life closing all around me. I wanted to escape, but to where was the question. As I was looking at the map of all the places I could travel to in the middle of a pandemic, I stumbled across Kyrgyzstan, which was completely open to tourists. After a couple of days of debating, I decided to pack my bags and head off. I didn't know it at the time, but the next 2 weeks solo motorcycling across Kyrgyzstan would be the most incredible experience I would ever have.
One by one we build an empire where devils roam and breathe. Fading sunsets, to forget them is the mark of death. As we break in through the window of mind and greed. Darkened bridges sink away into the brackishness, swirling sin into a rainbow. All the